Good morning, people. Good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let me know if you guys can hear me, see me well. The last live streaming of the year 2023. Should be fun. Thank you for all the likes. I know there's going to be like a lot of people joining in later on, and it's going to be awesome. I'm going to have my camera, well, my screen in this area so that I can like read all the chats and everything in here. There's a delay for like, I don't know, like 20 seconds or something like that. So, sorry about that. But yeah. Let me just go ahead and start adding my stuff real quick in here. We're going to be trading live with Pocket Option. But I wanted to ask you first. Jesus, I woke up like pretty late this this morning. I was tired. How many of you here are part of the BLW Binary Master app that you guys are following me in the private Telegram channel that I have for people inside of the BLW Binary Master app? Can anybody tell me that you guys are part of it? Awesome. So those of you who are part of it, you probably already know that I've been sharing my screen. In Zoom, actually, in Zoom calls for people inside of the BLW Binary Master app. So I wanted to give you like the invitation in case you guys want to follow with me. I do share my Telegram and the Telegram channel, like the free signals and stuff. Ben Trader, you're out. Anyone who starts copy pasting stuff, I'm gonna ban you. All right. So I actually share like my like free signals in the Telegram channel, but inside of the BLW Binary Master app, I actually share my screen, which gives like a huge improvement to the trading session. People inside of the group can actually confirm that. It makes a whole difference when you are actually looking at my screen. Okay, so I just wanted to give you like the invitation right there. Now I actually think that we can start trading. Setting this live is the usual. This is the RSI strategy. By the way, let me just go ahead and send a link. If you don't know what I'm talking about or what strategy I'm actually talking about, you need to watch a full tutorial, which I'm going to send right now in the chat. All right. You need to watch that video. If you're like, oh, because yesterday I had a discussion, with someone. Let me just go ahead and share it with you. This is it. Take a look. The person actually sent me a message saying, right here. And he says, I'm new to trading. I don't understand what I must do with the pictures the admin sends. I don't usually reply to the DMs, so I didn't do it. And then he said, okay, you will send me some tutorial or I want my money back because I can't do anything. I don't understand. That kind of threat. And I mean, I'm just gonna like be rude, okay? Because I believe that the fact that we're actually like sharing free stuff, it doesn't give you like the right to kind of threat me like that. It's like the BLW Mastrap is $74.99 for 2 months. I made $7,800 yesterday. So I don't need the $74, all right? The only reason I charge for it is because I pay people for sending signals. Marcel, Pablo, Harry, Lester, Prezad, and all the admins, right? But I don't need that money, or, I don't even use that money. So I was like, started to attack him. Not attack him, but I said, like, I don't want you. I'll give you your money back and just get lost. All right. And so on. And then we got into a discussion right here. My point today is, look, if you're not willing to like learn, watch my videos and try to understand what I do, then this is not the perfect for you. This is not the time for you. I'm sorry, it's right perfect. This is not the right place for you. So you need to learn. I shared the video right now in the live chat so that you guys can go and check it out in order to understand it. If you don't understand it, then go to demo, try to follow along. And then once this streaming is over, then you are going to go into your YouTube app, watch my videos, understand it so that in the next streaming, then you can make money with me. All right. Please make your Telegram signals more understandable. You see what I mean? Like, this is like the perfect example of someone who does not want to learn. As a matter of fact, yesterday I actually asked how many people had made over $7,000, and 61 people made over $7,000. That's actually 61 times 7,000. That's $427,000 that were made in profits yesterday. Okay. So if you don't want to learn it, or you're like, hey, can you make it easier? Then this is not the right place for you. I appreciate your like. I appreciate your views, but I'm not gonna, is that clear? All right. This is serious. All right. I actually told people yesterday, like, hey, if you don't want to put the effort or something, or you think this is like too dramatic, or someone said like you're too rude, then just get a job at a call center. Trust me, you'll be good to go. All right, here we have a great opportunity. This is on AUD, NZD, OTC. I'm gonna look for an easier one, but keep an eye on it though, because it might be the only one that we have right now. This one is gonna become an easy one right here. 5 minutes with me. I try to sell my one-on-one calls for $300, and very few people pay for it. So I'm never going to do that again. Same question. Contact personally me? Nah. Michael, I already replied, like, this one's kind of gone. The reason why I thought it was a good option is because in 15 minutes, it's still a good option though. In 15 minutes, it's kind of like touching the RSI. And if we actually go into 5 minutes, it's looking to cross on the stochastic. I entered once. The best place to enter if it jumps a little bit more in this candle. So try to catch it. I'm entering for 3 minutes because of emotions, and because we're looking at 5-minute candlesticks, right? I would pay the 300. It's over. Sorry, WiseWeb. I won't do it again. Not because, I don't need the 300. I didn't need the 1,000 that I was charging for one personalized call. I didn't need that. I did it because I thought some people would actually, like, the money was symbolic as to someone who's actually serious about talking to a millionaire to receive advice. But people were not, serious. So I wouldn't do that again. I'll just make my money, and that's it. All right. It's kind of in there. Probably someone enter. I'm not sure. Thank you. Thank you for the nice words. I'm actually reading you all. Thank you. Yeah, nothing is easy. I don't trade CHF pairs, Irina. Thank you, though. I don't. I just don't trust them. I made money on demo. Good job. Great job, Morelio. Great job. 400 trades too much in a day? Yeah, it's too much in a week. Withdrawals usually 1 to 3 days. Thank you. $9,450 yesterday, Ahmed. Good job, man. You should buy me a Starbucks coffee, you know, like a rich boy. You know, one of those people who actually think they're rich because they're buying coffee at Starbucks when they could actually make it at home. My coffee costs like $15 or something like that, and I can get like, I don't know, like 30 cups of coffee. So you shouldn't buy Starbucks unless you're in there meeting with someone, you know. Awesome. So some people made money in this trade. Can you let me know? Don't pay attention to newbies. Nah, you were a newbie one day, and I paid attention to you. So don't be like that. All right, cool. We're in. We are a lot of people joining in, and less than half have actually smashed the like button. So should I just, you know, like punch you in the face? Now I'm just playing, but go ahead and smash the like button, people. It helps a lot. Let me put an ad, and you gotta watch it because I get paid for it. And so yeah, you're in demo. 28 seconds left. Made money. Good job, people. At the end, I made it because I use your signals. Great job. All right, so at the end of the streaming, I'm gonna ask you guys how much money you guys ended up making. Okay, right now, let's just go ahead and focus on trading, and then we're gonna see how we do. If I don't find any OTC regular currency pair, oh, beautiful. Take a look at this baby right now. This is Euro USD. Euro USD 5-minute candlesticks. I'm trying to be to use it like in the easiest way. Okay. If you guys want to, you guys can go to 1-minute candlesticks and determine what would be like a great entry point. You can do it in 3 minutes. If you don't understand what I'm doing, you gotta go and check out my videos. Okay. Anything that comes for free won't be value. Well, I disagree. Check the free signals on Telegram and see if they're not, you know, valuable. I believe they are. Polygon option tournaments. Nah, I didn't do it. Awesome. I see a lot of people making a lot of money, and it's just crazy. I even shared this on Instagram. By the way, are you guys following me on Instagram? You should. The link's in the description of this video to my official one. It's a verified account. And so I actually shared on Christmas Day that a lot of people shared that they were making a lot of money. And it's crazy. It made me feel like so happy and so fulfilled for this year. It was like the best present. And I see a lot of people are making money. Vikas, can I meet you in person? Yeah, maybe. I'm actually going to Las Vegas next month. I'm going to gamble some money. I don't trade CHF, sorry. $20 into 102 days. Good job. This rally will continue if this candle becomes green one more time. If not, it's gone. I don't have social media. It gets me in trouble with the lady. You gotta behave yourself for me. It's not social media's fault. Are you in New York? No, I'm not. I'm not in the States. I'm just gonna visit Vegas. Thank you for following me on Instagram. Let the haters. Yeah. My wife is from Cali, Colombia, and we never buy coffee at Starbucks. Yeah. Colombian coffee. That's what I drink, the Juan Valdez. Visiting Canada. Yeah, I plan to visit Quebec and Toronto. Probably next year. Berlin, how you doing? Or Berlin, I don't know how to say it. Why 3 minute though? It's up to you. You can use 1 minute. Look, if you would have used 1 minute candlesticks, take a look, you would have won as well. The only reason I use 3 minutes is because of emotions, and so that I can talk to you. Just emotions. You're giving hopes to a lot of people. Awesome. Thank you. How do you deposit money on Pocket Option? I do it with crypto. Well, I did it with crypto. All right, this is gone. I'm in Toronto. All right, I'll let you know when I'm going in there. Scotland, probably if I go there, I'm going to end up living there. I love it. It's my favorite place in the world. Edinburgh, my favorite place in the world. Visit Greece now. Yeah, I don't live in the US, and I looked from the US. I thank you. I don't even know if that's a nice thing. I don't know. A lot of people tells me that I look like I'm from the States, but no. All right. All right, right now we don't have anything, so I think I'm gonna actually look for Portugal. Yeah, I'm planning to go to Lisbon sometime. If not this, probably next year. $90. Good job. Do you speak Spanish? Yeah, I do. I do speak. That's actually my main language. Thank you, Mario. Germany, no. Brazil. I was going to Brazil this year. I did not end up going. It's like pretty far away from me. Well, I mean Europe as well, but thank you. Fuerteventura. Where is that? In London? Yeah, I was in London this year. No, I don't have a Spanish channel. Yeah, this strategy is like everywhere on my YouTube channel. Italy, I was in Italy like 2 months ago. I go like every year to Italy. I'm never going to Venice one more time, but Italy, yeah. Sri Lanka, maybe. Dubai, I was going to go this year, but I'm not. 2024, but I'm not going to. Russia, I'd love to meet. You like to get to know Russia. Indonesia, yeah. The Telegram masterclass. What do you mean? Like the Telegram channel is in the description. People, I'm actually looking for signals. All right, that's the reason why I'm answering questions. It's not just like a chat room. Now this is actually becoming interesting. You see, the stochastic is crossing up. So if this candlestick ends up being super green and the next candle starts after the cross, then we're gonna have a rally. This is on AUDCAD. Okay. Near Venice. Can we get more likes, people? More and more likes. Can we get them? It's far away, so I think I'm gonna have to look for maybe, I don't know, maybe some other pairs, or I don't see CADJPY. I didn't see that. CADJPY. This one. USDCHF. All right, let's see these ones. Nah, it didn't matter. Let me look for stocks. Some stocks are kind of cool. All right, Apple stock and OTC looks amazing. Take a look. In 50 minutes, it's actually touching the RSI. and 50 level, and in 5 minutes is actually preparing to be dropping down because of the stochastic being overbought. This is a risky one, so enter only if you fully understand the strategy. This is not a currency, it's Apple OTC on pocket option. Okay. Finland, it would be amazing. I think it's one of the most safest countries in the world, isn't it? Are you going to be in London 24/24? I don't think so. AUD, USD, OTC looks good. Yeah, it does. It's just that not yet. We gotta wait up until it reaches the RSI. Okay. E-payments or crypto? I prefer crypto. How will I know if you're ready to trade on a real account instead of demo? Once you can trade on a real account, emotionless. You know, like it's not affecting your emotions if you're losing a trade. That's the only difference between a demo account and a real account. Your emotions. I don't recommend Martingale. Philippines will be amazing. All right, the jump is too high, so I would recommend you to stay away if you already enter a couple of positions, because we're trading with stocks. We're not trading with actual currencies, so it's a little bit riskier. Berlin, I'd love to go to Germany. I'm going to. I'm not sure if this year, but I'm going to. Actually, this year I'm going to Tokyo in September. How many years did you take to be in this freedom level? I started in 2014 and I was free by 2017. So 3 years. Well, not in the same level. I mean, 2017 I was making like 25, 30 grand a month. It was different. But the more you make, the more you spend, so Poland. Hey, why is it that you guys are not smashing the like? It's almost half of the likes from people who are actually watching streaming. It shouldn't be like that. If you're just joining in, so far we've placed 2 positions. We've won both of them. Let me know if anyone entered this one. Seven trades with Apple. Good job. Average a month usually is within 250 to like 500 to like, I don't know, to like $350,000. It all depends, because not all the time I actually withdraw all the money, and I usually stack him and jump it into real estate. As a matter of fact, I'm going to Texas next month to see if I can buy a few properties in there. Damn, there were a lot of comments coming in right now. All right, Apple. I think a lot of people made money with Apple. Brain Thirst says, why you care about YouTube when you already make hundreds of thousands of dollars? Can someone answer him? Let me see. Let's see how many of you know me and know why I do YouTube. Why do I do YouTube if I make a lot of money? Yeah, I'm going to Houston, Dallas, and I think Houston and Las Vegas. I'm just gonna go to Las Vegas for like 3 days, and then 2 days I'm gonna be in Texas. All right. A lot of people are saying that I do YouTube to help people, which is true, but it's not like the main reason. The reason why, oh, there you go. AUD USD is looking good. The reason why I go to YouTube is because it's fun. Okay? I have fun doing this. If I didn't have fun doing it, yeah, I have a passion for it, man, I wouldn't do it. There are so many ways to make money nowadays. As a matter of fact, I attended a few conferences on Dubai and Barcelona for affiliate conferences, and there are so many ways of making money by just um, investing on ads and stuff. Take a look. AUD USD is reaching a good level. So you can actually, let's say I can put like $50,000 in ads into several affiliate products and make $100,000 and then double that money. If I put $400,000, then I can make $800,000, which makes me a $400,000 profitability. Does that make sense? So I could do that, but it's not all about the money. It's about the passion. I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, by the way, I pressed this because I was making money. I don't know what's going to happen in the future, but yeah, the ad revenue always helps. I mean, having an extra $3,000 a month is good. I can buy some stuff with it. But I don't know what's going to happen in the future. One of my dreams is to actually be a motivational speaker. And obviously, the more exposure I have on social media, the better. So probably I'm actually building something like that. I like to build like that impact on social media, and that includes YouTube a lot. Actually, YouTube is my main, uh, you know, social impact that I have. Careful with this one. This is AUD USD. Just be careful with it, all right? Because it jumped too high. So this new candlestick might be a little green one. It could be a big red one. We're not sure. I'm investing more because I can afford to lose it. But, you don't have to. Exactly. Vladimir has it. It's just for entertainment and because, it's fun. It gives me like something to do every day. It's not like I'm not busy, but if you ask me what's my favorite thing to do is to record, edit, and upload videos. Like my favorite thing to do in life. But on YouTube, not TikTok. I hate TikTok. Out of the money with Apple OTC, maybe an entry was problematic. Maybe because that trade was ended like 3 minutes ago. Tell me connection between 5 and 50 minutes and why sometimes 50 minutes is the same trend as in 5 minutes, but you don't enter. Sorry, I am repeating. I just wanted to know. Well, the reason why sometimes I don't enter, even though the 50-minute is the same, is because sometimes it's completely oversold. Completely oversold. So if it's a downtrend and it's completely oversold in 50 minutes, it's quite difficult that it's going to continue dropping. That almost never happens though. So, yeah. Oh, shoot, I'm going to lose that one. All right, I lost a couple of them. Let's see what's happening within the next couple of minutes. Even if I win all of these, I'm going to be good to go. Hey, why is it that you guys are not smashing the like button? I want to get to like 300. Otherwise, I'm not going to continue trading. 300 likes or I stop this. We've been half hour. I'm going to lose the trade. Maybe I'm going to lose a few trades too. I don't want to like risk. Does anybody remember what was like my initial balance though? I don't remember. I should have run it down. One thing that you need to be careful with this specific trade, and this is a perfect example, is that, well, not this one, but similar example, is that the stochastic was going to cross up like this happened right here. Right now it's not happening, but if by any chance was about to cross going up, then it would have been it would not have been a good entry point. I hope that actually makes sense. I'm losing money right now, but who cares? 153,000 is it was my initial. All right. I mean, I'm being very conservative right now. For those of you who know me, I probably would have invested like, I don't know, like 30 grand or something like that, but I was targeting for like $20,000 as well. Right now I'm actually being conservative. Some of you won't believe it, you know, the new ones in here, but I'm being conservative right now. I'm gonna stop if I end up to like $140,000. If not, I'm going to continue. Right now, I entered too much. Again, I'm willing to lose this much money. And by the way, I actually started this month with like 50 grand, no, 60 grand. So I'm doing fine. I mean, by the way, at the end of the month or at the beginning of next month, before I actually start my new month, I'm actually going to withdraw and leave again 60 grand in my account. So it's fine if I actually withdraw right now. Let's see. 130 minus 60 grand. $70,000 is what I would withdraw next month. So it's fine. I'm still doing fine. But it would be nice if today we could have made like, I don't know, like $15,000-$20,000 or something like that. You know? I made 3,600 with 1 minute. Awesome. Great job. Now we're gonna enter a few 1 minute trades because we're looking at a completely oversold condition right now. So I guess we can actually take advantage of it. If this is a red candle, then we're gonna be good to go. If not, then we're risking too much. You see, I even did the math saying that I could even finish at 130 grand. Some people would actually say, hey, you should have stayed with the $20,000 profit, like 150,000. But no. Do you ever think they're manipulating the market? There's always a chance for it. I always mention this. There's always a chance that the market can be manipulated. I don't have proof of it. But that's the reason why you gotta just take your profits and run away. You know? If I wouldn't be like live streaming, probably I would have walked away after the Apple trades. Probably, yeah. But right now, we're actually trying to learn. So we're going to see how it actually end up going. Right now, honestly, it's just one little red candle that we needed and where we're going to be in profit. Obviously, it didn't happen. But I still have 3 grand to actually end up going. I think I'm going to just stop entering right now and see what happens within these trades. And then we can just go ahead and start answering some Q&A. I'm not going to trade with the real markets today because I don't know, man. Real markets during these holidays are not cool. All right, definitely this kicked me out. So I won't keep on trading. I hope that's actually okay for you. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is that I'm actually going to add some Q&A. Let me just go ahead and get the actual chat box right here so that we can answer, we can all answer questions. Or I mean, we can all see the questions though. Does that sound fair? This one just keeps going up. Yeah, it's going to retract at some point. I mean, it can't go, I mean, forever going up. But the problem is that I already reached the profits or the losses that I was willing to actually have, you know. Can I ask what you stopped using IQ option? Because they were saying that I was like, bottom line, my followers were making too much money and they were not okay with it. That was the reason. So I thought that they were too scammy, honestly, to continue working with them, even either as an affiliate or as a day trader. My win percentage today, I don't know. Usually it's like around 65 to like 70 something percent. It's not as high, but the reason why I end up making tons of money is because of the type of entries that I have. Why bounce at the 50 RSI? What do you mean at? You mean to the 50 RSI or at the 50 RSI? If you mean why it bounces back, is because it's basically like some sort of resistance point, you know? Want to ask, what's your story? Are you broke before you become rich? Yeah, there's a couple of videos in regards to like my story. Sad story. Nah, I'm just playing. Have you master app and you indicated there is a Zoom link for these calls? Where is that in the app? I send it every day. When I'm actually gonna get my session, I sent like the link and stuff, you know. How to do create app of you? Are you a programmer? Nah, kind of. What happened to Prasad? He's there sending signals. Can you put $5,000 USD for trade amount? Yeah, I can, but I don't do it. It's based on your balance. The red candle just came. Just when? Did it? Oh yeah, that's true. You see, what's going to happen? We just weren't sure about when. Do you advise using that double up bottom? No, I don't recommend any of those strategies that you see on Telegram on Instagram, like when they're drawing with a marker or something. Good, looks good, gang. $530 in profit. Great job. I'm actually gonna insert an ad right now. Some people already left the streaming. You know, they were like just waiting for the trades, which is okay. We're gonna do some Q&A right now for like 5 minutes, and then we're just gonna finish. Okay. Your trading style is good if you have good money, but following your style today, I lost almost last 8 days of profits. Then it's not the trading style or the balance, is the percentage that you're putting in on your trades. If you have $100 and you put in like $3 trades, then yeah, you're gonna blow up your account. If you put $1 trade, then you have a lot more chances. By the way, those of you who made profit, how much profit did you end up making? Let me know. I want to see like the dollar amount that you guys ended up making. What do you mean? How do you deposit in crypto? Is the 1 minute expiration time good for a beginner? Yeah, it's a good one. Definitely. What's your dream? What pushed you to go ahead and make more money? Well, I have 2 daughters. So my dream is that they both have their life solved when it comes to money problems, which is pretty much having at least, I don't know, maybe 100 units, each of them, of real estate. Real estate is the only business I target as a long-term investment. So yeah, probably that's my dream, you know. All right, I see minus $700. I see 130, 12,000. Good job. 500, $10, 200, 110, 460, 680, 1,840, 17,000. That's crazy, man. Good job. 200, 110, 17,000 again. $25, 650, $2. So look, the person who made 17 grand, some people would actually think like, whoa, that's amazing. Well, yeah, there's a lot of people making that when they follow my trades. But you know, the ones who make the most money are the most quiet ones. Have you actually noticed that? They don't share that many stuff. $2. Yeah. $25 win, $16 loss, $24, $2,500, $2,000, $20. Good job, everyone. Honestly, I'm proud of you. You guys are making like consistent income every day. And it's not just about me sending signals. Look, the setups work really good, But you guys are the ones choosing the entry points and stuff. You know, you are the ones doing it or making it happen, you know? So I'm very, very proud of you. Thank you. Thank you for the super chat thing. Money like silence. True that. The AUD UTC busted me. Yeah, sometimes it happens. That's why when you already make some profits, you should just go ahead and stay away. Do you guys want to see something beautiful, though? You do? Take a look at this, baby. Obviously, money's quiet. I didn't want you guys to get into emotions and stuff, or, you know, we're like, oh, Christian just made losing money and stuff. But take a look at the latest setup that I entered to recover my losses. Sometimes it's quite complicated to trade when you're like, you know, talking to people and live streaming. But take a look. We recovered our money, and we're gonna end up with some profit today. If we started at 153,000, 159 minus 153, we made like $6,000 or something like that. So I recovered, right? Do you think we should deposit a big amount of money, or do you advise to trade small? Honestly, only what you can afford to lose. By the way, people, I have a special announcement. I'm actually starting to trade again with Expert Option. And one thing that they offered me, it was to give me a, well, not me, but the people inside of the BLW community, they offered me to give me at 120% bonus. But that 120% bonus works differently. The way it works is that if you end up losing like your initial balance, let's say you deposited 100, so you get $120, you can trade with $120 and let's say make $100 more in profit. So you can withdraw those $100, but not the bonus. So the bonus is to trade, not to withdraw. And that was actually quite cool. So I ended up getting some sort of promo code. Let me see if I can get it somewhere here. I don't know, where is it? Let me get it, because I don't know if I have it in front of me. But yeah, with that promo code, you can get 120% in bonus, which is actually kind of cool. If you avoid, if you avoid it, you get more accuracy. Which one? What are you talking about? My first live stream with you. Good job. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I recovered and ended up making some money. Hey, still not in the 300 like target. That's kind of a bummer. So go ahead and smash the like. Okay. Let me just go ahead and get the code real quick. $20 pip challenge. What is that? Oh, by the way, those of you who are interested on copy trading, like copy trading per se, like 100%, we are going to deliver a copy trading service for Forex in the BLW binary and the BLW signals group. Hold on. There you go. I put the code in the live chat. That's the promo code that you guys can use to get the 120% on Expert Options. I also have the link in the description of this video. So I'm working with my team in order to develop a copy trading service, so that the only thing that you have to do is give me your MT4 username or the account number, and we will start placing trades in your broker. Not placing trades. You will start copying trades from our trades. And so far, this month we ended up making a 3% balance increase. Very conservative. I didn't place all the trades, but it will be a lot more aggressive starting off January. Probably like 7-10% balance increase. So stay tuned. Okay, that's gonna be cool. Mac, you just gotta wait. It's already 24 hours. Send an email to support@blwonlinetrading.com and copy me, Christian@blwonlinetrading.com. Which broker? On the copy trading, you do not have to worry. You choose whatever broker you want to, as long as it has MT4 or MT5. And yeah, there's going to be like a monthly charge for copying the trades. You can cancel at any time. But the point of it is that you won't have to trade. Okay? All right, people. The AI app is coming on January. I think it's going to be January the 9th. Okay? So stay tuned. People, I don't think I'm going to see you live up until next year. So happy new year. There's going to be like a New Year's video, obviously, on January 1st. Like wishing you all the best stuff and sharing with you like the best moments of 2023. I appreciate that you guys were with me this whole year. Cheers for a new year full of amazing things. And yeah, I'll see you next time, people. Cheers.